i chi gyd i Cynhadledd Ffermio Cymru. Ar ddechrau'r 20fed ganrif, roedden nhw'n tybio bod ni'n cymryd 100 mlynedd i wybodaeth i ddyblu. Ond erbyn y flwyddyn nesaf, maen nhw'n meddwl bydd gwybodaeth yn dyblu bob 12 awr. A'r cwestiwn yw, sut mae modd i ffermwyr fel ni i gallu cadw lan gyda'r holl ddatblygiadau hynny? Pwrpas y diwrnod heddi i ni ddod at ein gilydd i fagu ners, i rechargio'r batteries fel ni'n licio gweud, fel bod ni'n barod i wynebu beth bynnag sydd o'n blaenau ni. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Mr. Chris Moon. Having lost his lower arm and leg whilst clearing landmines for a charity, within less than a year of leaving hospital, he succeeded to complete the London Marathon. This is just one example of his bravery and determination.
I started speaking literally by accident because I lived through about 6 episodes that the experts told me categorically should have killed me. I didn't survive by accident, I survived by choice and through choosing to not give up. Started life farming, lovely way of life. There was no land or money in my peasant family, but by 21, I'd worked my way into a partnership. I was milking cows in Devon. My partner had a wonderful philosophy. He was in his mid-50s, and he said, we have to do the work of 2 men each. You can never be sick, and you can never be injured, because we've got to milk the cows twice a day. Reasons are like psychological rocket fuel. When I was dying, the reason I didn't die was because I focused on all my reasons for living. What are your reasons for living? The more reasons we can find for doing what we do, the happier we will be.
My wife Daphne and I started farming in 1980. We farm in Watertown, Wisconsin, where it's really cold. Our goal is to produce 1.7 liters of milk for every 1 pound dry matter that the milking cows consume. If we do that, we're doing everything correctly. Just think about that. If you don't get your cows bred, if you have a mastitis problem, if you have lameness, that kills. That absolutely kills that number. These cows all have to be at the top of their game to achieve this. You have to have good people. You have to have people that care, and you have to really invest a lot of training into your people.
Like it or not, we're going to have a social license to operate. People are going to have to love farmers, continue to love good farmers, and we've got to be those people ready to step in and fill that void. So keep on encouraging people to ask about farming, ask their questions, do your part if you can to speak up, someone else at your farm. Maybe someone just helps you. Our kids still do a lot, even though they're not on the farm every day. They do help us with our message.
There's more at risk by not embracing new technologies and growing your farms. If you stay the same, we always say in the United States, if you're staying the same, you better sell out that day.
What I'm trying to do when I talk about the market is to show you that there are considerable reasons for optimism, and people are very skeptical about it, but those that take technology up first, yes, they make some mistakes, but actually ultimately they're far, far better off, and all the data shows that. There is an exciting future. We are entering exciting times, and I hope you get that. You know, it is exciting, and the potential is unbelievable. There are unparalleled opportunities in front of you. There are new challenges. There are big challenges ahead. But actually our competitor challenges are probably bigger than our own.
I gadw ymlaen o'n efo'r trywydd o gysidro'r cyfleon a hefyd technoleg. Mae'n gyfle yn nawr i weld beth yw'n wneud i dreialu ac i arddangos technoleg newydd ar yn rhywbeth arddangos. Rydym yn ffodus iawn a gallu weithio efo dros 100 o ffermwyr yn Gymru, a mae hynna'n ffermwyr brwdfrydig, uchelgeisiol a hefyd arloesol iawn.
Well, the aim of today's conference was to inspire everybody, to provide you with some positivity and leave you feeling energized. And I think every one of the speakers today has contributed towards that. Dwi'n wir yn meddwl bod ni wedi cael yn ysbrydoli heddi yn ystod y dydd, a dwi'n gobeithio byddwn ni'n mynd o yma heddi yn teimlo byddwn ni'n gallu gwynebu beth bynnag sy'n mynd i ddod.